Muhlenbergia. Okay. I know we have Muhlenbergia capillaris represented here, which is the Gulf Muhly, I believe. And we also have another one. I think it might be Lindheimer's, but I'm not exactly sure. But at any rate, you'll notice that these are two separate species in Muhlenbergia, but all we're asking you to learn is Muhlenbergia. You notice that the flower heads, the seed structures, are extremely fine textured, especially on this particular one right here, but also here, very fine textured, okay? And then I guess you could say that you might get this confused with Mexican feathergrass, although this is much more thick and coarse than Mexican feathergrass. But if that is the case, if you're concerned about that, let me show you one little trick on Muhlenbergia. Okay, you'll notice that the back of this particular leaf blade is rounded, but when you turn it over, you have to look really carefully. It's convex, all right? So it's V-shaped, and it basically funnels water all the way down to the base of the plant. All right. So that's a characteristic that we don't see on any of the other grasses that we are going to look at. Okay. All right. So really soft seed structures, flower heads when they're in flower, which would be late summer to fall, and then seed structures right there at the end of the fall. But really wispy and very soft texture. The Gulf Muhly has a pink to sort of a almost burgundy flower that gives it a nice red sort of cast, and if you plant these in mass, it's really nice. Okay. All right. So there's a number of other muhleys. There's the bamboo muhly we used to have in a pot, and they're all a little bit different, but they all have these same characteristics. Really wispy, soft texture. All right, and then this convex foliage. Okay. You can find they're a little bit different as far as cold tolerance is concerned, but mostly zone 7 through 9 is where you see Muhlenbergia. Questions on muhly grass?